Alright, so today, like I said in my last video, my performance was fucking trash. So what I'm trying to do now is look at this Unity profiler, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I read it, how I interpret it. So if you new to Unity, if you new to game development, and you trying to learn a lot of stuff on why your frames per second is so low, why your game is lagging, um, a lot of times you can look at the Unity profiler and it can help you understand exactly what's going on. So I'm not an expert at it, but what I usually look at is frames per second. And if I press play right now, you will see that my frames per second is really. Hold on, I gotta scratch my legs. Once the game start, you will notice that my frames per second is super low. Like that shit so low that bitch can't even play on time. Look. 3:10. Like who gonna be able to play that shit, bro? So as you see, if I try to walk around in the game, it's real slow. It's real laggy. You know what I'm saying? Frames per second kind of like it's getting a little better, but like if I move too quick, y'all see it's going down to like 27, 28. You know what I'm saying? Like I can barely play the game like this. So let me stop. Let me turn it off. If I go over here in my on my Unity profiler, matter of fact, let me just maximize it. This the way I can look at it. You know what I'm saying? Like the numbers, it be kind of hard for me to understand it. But if you see these little spikes, y'all see these spikes, you can toggle them on and toggle them off. So if you can toggle that junk on, you will see kind of like, okay, it's really not that bad for the rendering. But if you go down here, you see that, you see all that background noise. So whatever that is, that's what's causing a lot of your lagging. Your animations, you know what I'm saying? They ain't as bad. Like, no, matter of fact, they ain't bad at all. Your scripts, your scripts, you got a lot of scripts running at the same time, but it ain't gonna be just horrible. Your physics ain't bad. Your VSync, we ain't even got global illumination in there. So it's this right here. This what could be a bottleneck. You see all that in there? So what you wanna do is you wanna go to your project settings. It's different stuff you can look at. One thing that I looked at first was my project settings, and you go to um your level of details down here. I don't know if I did this on mistake or if this shit came by default. This shit don't supposed to be 100, bro. Like that's just like overkill. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna put this down to 2. Another thing you want to look at is your shadows as well. Like you don't want to have too many hard shadows in your game. You don't want to have a lot of lights in your game, like real time lights, because all of that stuff gonna hurt your performance. And then one more thing you can do is you can actually do a build and not just run the profile in the editor, but you can actually like create your own build and then run it like as a regular game program and see if you can connect it to a profiler as well to see is it still lagging as bad as it was. So y'all seen what it looked like before I put it on 2 LODs. So look at this shit now, bro. Just that one little thing changed so much stuff. Like now, you'll see it's not gonna lag the way it was at first. Yeah, I went before I get started, I just want to show y'all some shit. I went to this little Juneteenth event yesterday where I stay at in Florida, and I got me some of this man, some of this goddamn Aventus, uh that Creed, that oil shit. fire. Fire. This shit went number like $10 versus like the Creed events is damn near 300-400 goddamn dollars, and it damn near smell better. So if y'all want to, be on a budget, man, you get this goddamn Creed Aventus, man, the oil, man. Shit smell good as hell. I just want to put that out there real quick before I get started. All right, so look, now y'all see now my shit at like 80, you know what I'm saying, 78, 90. The frames per second, way more better. Frames per second, way more better. All that 10, 15 shit. Oh shit, hold on. I'm talking too quick. It's still little small issues, but overall, you can see how it went from like 10 and 20 and shit like that to now it's at like 56. So the LOD bias did help. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit. God damn, bro. Damn. Let me get up. Man, I wasn't even trying to fight y'all. Bro, come on, bro. Get up, bro. God damn. Big. I wasn't even trying to fight you niggas. Big. Damn, they whooping my ass. I wasn't trying to do that. Big, get off me. Big, bitch. Bitch, get off me. Big, get off me. Now let me finish what I was doing. All right. So it's still a little.